Hi, this is Carol from Tiny Space Health, and I'm here with
Hana. Hello.
Again. So, you bought weights, and you're like, I don't know what to do with them. So, yeah, all right. Yeah, well, that's what you do.
That's what I do.
That's what she does. And yeah, so I'm helping her
Yep.
learn. Yeah, so today, biceps, strengthening arms, and we're going to do 3 different exercises for you to do at home with using whatever weights you've got, and yeah, away we go.
Away we go. I'm going to grab the 2s.
Yep. Oh, awesome. So just grab whatever weights you've got, and we will show you. I'm going to grab maybe the 4s, okay? Yeah, if you're starting off, 2s pretty good. 1s, if you got just whatever you've got. All right. Slight bend in the knees. We're going to do just some normal bicep curls. All right. So the hands, palms are facing forward. Slight bend in the knees, and the elbows are tucked in a little bit to your side. So you don't want them out here, you want them in here. Okay, so we're going to go up for 2. We're going to do about 10 reps. So we're going to go up for 2 and down for 2. So we're just controlling it as we do it. We normally do this with music,
Yep.
because we try to motivate ourselves. But today we're not. We're just going to sort of talk you guys through it. And,
Yep. Talk me through it too.
Talk her through it too. So make sure she does it right for her. Yeah. Okay, so we're on 5, I think. Something like that. Doesn't
Around
matter.
there.
We're not worried too many how many we're doing today. The main thing is to control it on the way down and control it on the way up. So, and can you keep count? Yes,
8.
you can keep count. 8, okay. So make sure also if you can touch your thighs as it comes down, that's a good thing to do. So full rep, yeah?
Last
So
one.
okay, last one. So we're on 10. So hopefully you're doing it with us, all right? So now we're going to do half one. So we're only going to do 5. So we've got halfway and down, nice and slow, okay? Halfway, so we're just working the muscle a little bit more, yeah. So you should be feeling it, hopefully, and if you're feeling it, that's good. It shouldn't be painful. I think there's 4.
That's 4.
We're just going to do 5, yeah. So just as a starter off exercise for your biceps, and you're just going to put them down, have a little break, shake it out, okay. So just normal bicep. Oh, that feels nice and light, doesn't it?
It does.
I like that. All right, so shake it out. Now, if you did that and you're like, oh, I didn't really feel it, it wasn't hard. All right, if you've got a heavier weight, next time use a heavier weight. If you haven't got a heavier weight, do more reps. I know it's a bit hard when you're stuck at home or you're in ISO, whatever.
Yeah.
It's really hard. So just, yeah, do a few more if that's a bit easy for you.
Put on your favourite music sometimes. Motivation, keep you going,
Yeah.
keep you to beat.
Yeah, because everybody, well not everybody, but most people really like music, but put on your own music to use.
Yeah.
And, you know, it'll motivate you. So, what I want you to do is have that little break and then go and do another set of that. But
Yeah.
later on, today just join us with this. So the second exercise
Yep.
is we can do hammer curls. So slight bend in the knees again, brace in your tummy, elbows tucked in, and hands are like this. So it's like a hammer. Okay, up we go, up for 2.
It's hammer time.
Okay, that's 2. That's the music you should have on.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just going to face Hana for a bit. So yeah, elbows, that's good. Elbows tucked into your side and looking forward. A slight bend in the knees, always to protect your back. So you're counting for me, aren't you, today?
Yep.
While I'm talking.
Yes. This
She's
is 5.
like, yes, so that's 1.
5.
That's what I normally do when I'm training people. Oh yes, so how many to go? I don't know, 99? No. We're just going to go with about 10 today. So hammer curl up and back down. Yeah, keep those knees bent. Bracing through the abs. So you should be feeling it about now. At least how many up to?
8.
Oh, excellent.
This is
Thank
9.
you.
I think.
And when I train people, I usually do count them out, but you know. I also watch their face. I got to do a bit of a before I stop. But
Yeah.
today we just do 10? Yeah,
10.
Have a little break, roll the shoulders. Okay, so they're hammer curls. Yeah, good to work the muscle in different ways. So if you did that 10 and you're like, that's a bit easy, okay, put the weight up, you know, grab your next heavier weight, or just do more. Just do some more.
Yep.
Until you really, you know, start to feel it. And that's okay. You can always do the other thing. So let's just do one of those in a bottom half.
Yeah.
So say you get into the end. Say that's your 10. Okay. You can do what we did in the other one, halves. Okay, so little bottom half. So do a bottom half and down. We're just working the muscle in a different way. Yeah. I don't think she'll be like, how many of these to go?
2 more.
Oh, really?
We're doing 5, right?
I know. All right, so little bottom halves like that. Yeah, you could, and sometimes you might go, okay, I'm going to do a whole set of these ones, yeah, you know, those ones, and then I'm going to do 10 of these as my next set. So just giving you different options without getting hopefully too confusing.
Yeah.
All right, so that's our second exercise. So we've done these ones, blah, 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 yeah. Those ones, just normal bicep curls, and we've done hammer curls for there. So I'm going to put these back down. Well, actually, you want these ones, don't you? Okay, so the next one we're going to do is we're only going to do 3 different exercises today, is concentration curls. So once again, for the biceps, so give them a little shake. Always try to have like a 20-second break in between your sets.
Yep.
So what I would really like you to do is, if you're beginning, 1 set of each, like we've done now, okay? And that's fine. And then next time you go, okay, you do 2 sets of each exercise, all right? And have a little like 20-second break in between each set.
Yep.
Yeah, good. So, concentration curls. All right, so on a seat or on a bench or something like that. And you're going to have your legs apart, that's it. Yep. And this hand is going to, I like to rest my elbow on there.
Yep.
So I'm leaning forward. You've got to lean forward, and then this elbow goes against the knee here.
Yeah.
Okay, you're not going to lever it, but you're just going to use it. Yeah, and then we're going to curl that up. So, curl up. Yeah, just keep, and curl down. Sorry, you know what to do.
Yep.
I'm just going to go over this side.
Just want to make sure I'm not too far forward, so I will just sit back.
Sit back in your seat, exactly. Yeah, you don't have to look at the camera, you're good. Keep your spine nice and straight. Yeah, so head should be eye gaze should be down. And just curling that up. Now, that'll probably, if you're feeling it after about 4 or 5, that's good, okay? Shouldn't be killing, but we want to work at about 10 reps, if we can. All right? So even if you're going, oh, I've done 5 or 6 and that's enough, that's fine, just stop, have a little break. Are you good?
I'm good.
That's quite a heavy weight for her. So, so this is good. I haven't counted. We might have to start from 1 again.
That's 10.
That's 10. Okay.
I've been counting.
Okay. So have a little break. Have a tiny break. Okay, you don't need much of a break here because you're going straight to the other arm. All right. So usually I just flip it over to the other side. Okay. So elbow on that one, elbow tucked in, and then curling up for 2, and controlling it back down for 2. All right. Excellent. Doing it, and we'll just show a way to help in a minute. So we just do it a few more, and this is good. I don't have to do anything. It's awesome. Nice and slow. Okay, so this arm might be a bit weaker than the other one. So what you're going to do is you're going to be like, okay, you're going to get the other hand here. I'm going to get it to help. So you just get that other hand to help it up a little bit. Just see if you can get those last few reps out, because it's good to get strong. Are you okay?
Yep.
Don't have to do 10. So how are we going?
I'm on 8.
She's on 8? Okay, awesome. She's going to do it. But so use that other hand there just to help lift it up. And that's your concentration curls. Oh, it is. I thought, have you finished?
Now I've finished.
Yeah.
Now I'm done.
So that was good, because that was actually quite hard for her. Yeah. Good job, Hannah. All right. All right. I'm going to grab that off you. So now we're just going to do a bit of a stretch. All right. So what you're going to do...
I can keep sitting.
Yeah, you can keep sitting. So remember, when we're doing it, you start off with 1 set of each of the ones, these ones, 1 set, and we do the little bottom halves. Yeah? Okay? And then a little break, not for long, and then hammers, up, 2, down. Yeah? Full reps, yeah? Remember that? And if it's like, oh, that's too easy, you get to the end of 10, too easy, remember bottom halves. Do 5 bottom halves. Nice and slow, not fast like that. Nice and slow, yeah? And then the concentration curls. Yeah? Concentration curls really good.
Yes.
Oh, I think they are. Especially when I don't have to do them. Stretching. Okay, so actually you're just going to grab a bit of the wall to stretch or something. I'm just going to go right in front of you.
Yep.
And just
that out the way.
Just to stretch the biceps. Just go here, she's behind me.
Just leave me behind.
Yeah, and just put your palm against the wall like that. Lift up and push your shoulder forward, and that'll just stretch out your biceps. If you don't have a wall nearby, hopefully you've got a wall nearby. If you haven't, you can just do sort of that one. That one sort of can do it as well, to stretch out the biceps a little bit.
Yep.
But against the wall's a bit nicer.
Yeah.
So yeah, you can turn the other way and do the other one.
Excuse me.
Excuse her for a sec. So you can always just go do this. See, someone else is doing Hana curls next door. They've been renovating. So we've been hearing lots of Hana curls. Yeah. So, okay, so just roll it out and shake it out, and well done, and thanks, and we'll see you next time. I'll see you next time. I see her all the time. Oh, okay, bye-bye, see you.
Bye, see you.